Alright, it's time for another Postbag video. I have no idea what this one is. It came from Thailand, and the detailed description of content is one lamplight with a value of USD 0.58. I don't know what this is, so let's go ahead and cut it open. Make sure everything's out of the way. Alright, we've got a big thing of styrofoam here. Good lord. Oh! It's a bag of LEDs. Good grief. That was a ton of packaging for just a bag of LEDs. I think this is a pouch of LEDs that was described as random color that I ordered. So I have absolutely no clue what color these LEDs will be. So let's go ahead and whack them into the old USB, or not the USB tester, the my little LED tester here. So, well, that one looks to be yellow-ish. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to put a little bit more current through these. Looks like yellow. Alright, well, we'll do this, and then we'll do this. We'll pump a little bit more current through them. I would definitely call that yellow. Are they all yellow? That one's yellow. That one's yellow. Or maybe even orange, I'm not sure. Oh well. I was hoping the bag would be like a random assortment of colors in the one bag. I'll have to leave a comment on the seller's page about that, but that one's just yellow, and that one's yellow. So it looks like they're just all yellow. Alrighty, well, let's go get the next post thing. I'll just pack these up. Alright, I'll tidy this up and be right back. Alright, fast forward a couple of weeks, maybe even a month, and I'm now finally continuing this video because another package finally arrived. It's amazing how long these packages take to arrive from China. Even though it says by airmail, this must be some really, really slow airplanes. Or maybe they're sending them by pigeon or something. Anyway, let's see what we've got. Yes, some wire, because I needed some more wire for projects. Oh, replacement clicky buttons, because the last set, they aren't marked properly, and I accidentally put 12 volts through one of them and it killed the LED. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh yes, yes, this is my Picket 3. This is a probably a knockoff, but as long as it works. It is a PIC programmer that I'll be using for a project that has been on hold for quite some time now as a result of not having the proper programmer. I'm going to turn the gain on my mic down just a little bit here. Alright. But yeah, so you plug it into USB on that end, and then you've got this wiring loom that you use to program it, and it gives the appearance of having, yep. So, depending on how your ICSP headers are set up, you can either have male or females. So that's kind of nice. And it comes with a USB cable, which is nice because it's got the older style mini USB. Alright. So let's get that stuff out of the way. More wire. More wire. Hey look, some wire. What do we have here? These are Schottky diodes. I'll be doing a video on those, a back to basics video on those fairly soon, I think. But the Schottky diodes have a much lower forward voltage drop than normal diodes, and I'll be using them in a concept for some solar garden lights that I'm working on. More Schottky diodes. I think I ordered a bit too much of those, but hey, they were cheap. Alright, I have a mysterious thingy. Oh yes, okay. So this is the rest of the Picket 3 programmer thing that I ordered. This one, basically, you plug this in like so, or you use the extension cable, and then you've got a nice, apparently 3M zero insertion force socket here, or ZIF socket, and various programming jumpers. I'll probably need to do a little bit of repair on this because the jumpers look like they're bent, but that's not a huge problem. But yeah, that makes programming chips a lot easier, because then you don't have to figure out how to set these onto each pin of the chip or build ICSP into the circuit. And it looks like it came with... Oh no, these are a separate thing, I think. I ordered a bunch of pins for various different projects. Let's see. I don't remember ordering this. Just a standard, generic, everyday 180 pin protoboard. Oh, very nice. This will be useful. Just your standard 2.5 millimeter by 5 millimeter power plugs there with 9-volt battery headers there. And, oh, wow, apparently I ordered a bunch of those. And another 108 pin motherboard, or not motherboard, protoboard. Alright, so that's that Postbag. And I think that's probably enough to call a real video. So if you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here will be a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting based on your watching habits. Right over here will be the Postbag playlist, and right over here will be a link to my Patreon, which you can pledge a couple of dollars a month to help support the purchase of stuff like this. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.